Allow these affirmations to bathe your subconscious mind with thoughts of prosperity and abundance. Listen every day for best results. Now relax, close your eyes, and begin to breathe slowly and deeply. With each breath, let your body relax. The ideas you're about to hear will become your own. There is no need to stay awake. The powerful affirmations you hear will be absorbed by your subconscious mind, even while you sleep. So now, relax and breathe, and repeat in your mind as it is being said out loud. I have the ability to create anything I want. I am worthy of love, success, happiness, and wealth. I accept and allow success in all areas of my life. Money comes to me easily. I attract everything I desire. I am a powerful money magnet. All good things flow into my life. I easily attract success and abundance. I am attracting positive and abundant people into my life. I am positive, passionate, and successful. I am open and ready to attract abundance into my life. My positive belief in myself is transforming my life. My dreams are manifesting before my eyes. I am filled with limitless potential. I am a magnet for financial abundance and prosperity. Abundance surrounds me wherever I go. My day is full of abundant opportunities and success. Everywhere I look, I see a way to bring wealth into my life. Everything I need for success comes to me. Every day, I attract people who help me achieve my goals. Money flows easily into my life. I am grateful for all the wonderful blessings in my life. I attract positive circumstances. I believe in myself and my incredible willpower. The power to be successful is within me. My dreams are manifesting before my eyes. My life is filled with joy and abundance. I am a magnet to prosperity. I visualize my ideal life and watch it manifest. I have the power to create my reality. The universe constantly supplies me with money. I appreciate all that I have. I am confident in my ability to create the life I desire. I wake up each morning with a grateful heart and an open mind. I always have enough money to fulfill my needs. I am receiving abundance in expected and unexpected ways. I receive infinite abundance. I trust my inner guidance. My power is in my thoughts. I am the master of my own life. I create my reality. Creative energy flows through me. I am receiving abundance now. I am the creator of my life experience. I use my intuition and intelligence to guide me at all times. The law of attraction works for me. I choose to be happy and successful. I recognize and honor my talents, abilities, and skills. I am attracted to people and situations that support me. I visualize myself having abundant wealth. That is who I am. I deserve to have and enjoy affluence in my life. I attract talented and successful people. I am ready, willing, and happy to receive money. I am able to manifest my dreams into reality. Everything I need comes to me easily. All my attitudes are positive. Joy overflows in my life. I have the power to realize my goals. Everything will work out for the best. My mind is finely tuned for attracting massive wealth. I have a deep belief in myself. I am a strong person. I attract success into my life. I use positive thinking to manifest a positive life. I have the power to create my reality. I attract whatever I want. My thoughts create my reality. I believe in the law of attraction. I always attract success and abundance like a magnet. I attract financial security. I believe that I can achieve anything I want. Others see me as a very successful person. I naturally attract money and material abundance. I radiate powerful energy and vitality. Money is easy to attract. I have the freedom and flexibility to do whatever I want. Money comes to me daily in large amounts. The law of attraction is working for me right now. I am the master of my life. Manifesting my desires is easy and effortless to me. I have the power to create my life just the way I desire. Miracles and positive experiences surround me wherever I go. I am grateful for every single moment in my life. I attract positive, kind, and supportive people into my life. I know my value. Maintaining a positive state of mind allows me to attract anything. I can attract more than I ever dreamed possible. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more and more prosperous. I am worthy of great success. I attract success in all areas of my life. I am the luckiest person alive. I am full of gratitude for all my good fortune. I am constantly attracting new opportunities into my life. I am open to receive. I have everything I need. My bank account is always growing. I attract exciting opportunities wherever I go. My mind is focused on attracting greatness. I firmly believe in my ability to attract anything. Every day, I turn my dreams into reality. I have the power to manifest wealth and abundance in my life. Great things are coming to me today. My life is filled with great abundance. I easily attract the things I desire.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.